Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. Removing a background is usually done in Photoshop or other graphics editors, but today we'll be doing it in Blender, and it's simpler than you think. First, start by importing your image as a mesh plane. With your image selected, go to the shader editor, and we'll just be adding a few nodes here. Start off by mixing your current BSDF with a transparent shader. Now, we'll drive the color output into a color ramp to modify the FAC of the mixed shader. This works best with two color logos, and your goal is to adjust your color ramp until your background disappears. With black and white logos, this is very simple, but for colored backgrounds, you may have to modify your color stops. Once you're happy with your result, enable Film Transparent and face your camera on a top-down perspective to view your logo. Now, when you hit render, you now have a transparent PNG with no background ready to save. And congratulations, you just used Blender instead of Photoshop to remove the background of your logo.